KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 21st of January. I'm James Spann. It's cold, but it's dry. Next chance of rain will be Wednesday and Wednesday night, maybe a snowflake or two on the backside of that. And the weekend ahead poses an interesting forecast challenge. So let's dive in and talk about it. Here we go. This is the upper air look this morning. Big trough on the East Coast that pulled down some very cold air. You felt it yesterday. You feel it this morning. Most of the official reporting stations are between 20 and 25 over North Alabama. Colder pockets are in the teens. We'll expect a high in the 40s today, but the sky will be sunny. And cold air covers much of the eastern half of the United States. Coldest so far this season for many places. And of course, up north, many spots are buried in snow from the weekend snowstorm. Ongoing winter weather problems today for the Central Plains back into the northern Rockies, where winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings have been posted. Of course, things are quiet down here. Severe weather outlook today, no thunder across the country. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the central Gulf Coast. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, the chance of thunder for South Alabama, but no severe weather expected with this event. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days. The bulk of it will be in the east. Alabama's rain totals between 1.5 and 2 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. So let's talk about it. Model fans, this is the GFS, the 06E run at noon today. Trough over the northeast, new trough in the western states. And again, for us, we're in between all of that in a cold, dry air mass, sunny with mid-40s today. Now, tomorrow, another snowstorm for places like Minneapolis, St. Paul, Green Bay, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska. Showers break out west of the state, but we think tomorrow will be dry, clouds gradually increasing, and we warm up into the 50s. Wednesday, rain moves in during the day, and we'll be, again, probably somewhere in the upper 50s, maybe in low 60s, with the front still north and west of the state. And that's just going to be a rain-type day. And we notice maybe some snow or freezing precipitation way back on the western flank of that. This is Wednesday night at midnight. And again, the GFS hints it may be some brief change over to light snow or snow flurries in the backside of this. Not so sure that really happens. This is the NAM not suggesting that. Here's a forecast sounding for Wednesday night at midnight. This off the GFS. That looks more like rain. So it's conceivable there might be a snowflake or two Wednesday night or early Thursday morning on the backside of that. But again, like the weekend deal, we expect no accumulation or no impact at this point. And then Thursday at midday, the rain is on by. We are colder and dry. The sky should clear during the day with a high in the 40s. And let's go to Friday. We've got a pretty cold air mass dropping in here. That's a 1038 high, and that will be a pretty chilly day. The sky partly to mostly sunny with a high probably in the low 40s, maybe around 40. Again, well below average for this time of the year. Let's go to Saturday as the weekend begins. Now, the weekend, we've got total model madness here. I'll just warn you. So this is Saturday coming off the GFS. Saturday morning would be cold. Again, 15 to 25, much like this morning. The sky would be sunny with a high in the 40s. And Sunday looks dry. The GFS has a surface low in the Gulf, shunted well to the south. And that would be a dry day with a high in the 40s. But not so fast, says the European. It's got a surface low position more to the north, and with the deeper amount of moisture, it tries to print out some snow here Saturday night or Sunday morning. And so with this total, madness in this, I think the right thing to do, we've seen evidence that the consistent idea is a clipper coming down from the northwest instead of a deep surface low in the Gulf. Clippers certainly can squeeze out some light rain or light snow, but they typically don't have a lot of moisture to work with, and they don't bring a lot. So we'll mention a chance of some light rain or light snow Saturday night or Sunday morning for now. And that's all we're going to say. There's no way you could identify exactly what happens at this point. We really need to get the midweek system out of here. Then we can focus on this. The wave will be in the American Upper Air Network, have a much better idea what's going to happen. But temperatures this weekend, one way or the other, whether it's dry or we have some precipitation, should be below average. Then Monday of next week, another big trough develops. That's another shot of cold air coming in here. It's going to be hard to warm up in this pattern. Let's go out 10 days. Wednesday of next week, the 30th. Again, a big vortex up in Canada. Zonal flow here, and that's a cool, dry air mass. Here are the numbers coming off the European ensemble, suggesting we'll see 62 Wednesday. That'll be the warmest day of the next 15, most likely. And again, temperatures way below average for the weekend with highs low to mid 40s and lows down in the 20s. But again, watch for changes. But certainly the screaming message is that temperatures should stay below average for the rest of this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.